In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy in Google Docs. So the first thing that we'll be doing is opening up the document that we want to copy. So for example, I'll be copying this document right here. And first thing that we'll be doing is going over to the file menu over here, click on file, and you will see it on the first segment, which is make a copy. So click on make a copy, and you can name it any that you want. So for example, I'll be naming it making a copy. And next thing is click on make a copy. Now it will add it to your Google Drive, or it will also automatically open it up on Google Docs. And that's about it. That's how to make a copy in Google Docs. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.